Parkville House, a stately Victorian terrace nestled in Melbourne's quiet Parkville suburb, stood as a testament to its era. Its facade exuded a strong presence, a stoic reminder of a bygone time. However, behind the impressive exterior, the house's layout and finishes fell short of meeting the modern needs and lifestyle of its new owners, a family preparing for their children's teenage years. Having previously navigated a renovation, they engaged Placement to breathe new life into the home, seeking a sensitive refurbishment that would honor its heritage while adapting it for their next chapter. The challenge lay in balancing the preservation of the home's character with the creation of a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. Placement's approach was one of considered intervention. Recognizing the inherent potential of the existing structure, they focused on strategic improvements rather than wholesale changes. As Placement Director Jacqueline O'Brien explained, the clients appreciated the generous volume the house offered, but it lacked functionality and didn't reflect their personal style. The renovation centered around remedial work, clarifying the interiors, and reimagining the rear ground floor to maximize natural light and seamlessly connect indoor and outdoor spaces. The goal was to create a home that fostered both intimate family moments and effortless entertaining. This vision shaped the design, leading to a relatively open plan for the kitchen and dining areas, while ensuring each bedroom became a private sanctuary with an ensuite. The heart of the home, the kitchen, became a focal point of both movement and gathering. A substantial island bench anchored the space, complemented by custom timber cabinetry. A clever design solution involved borrowing space from an adjacent light well, expanding the rear elevation with a large bay window that floods the area with warm northern light. This not only brightened the interior, but also created a connection to a service court and kitchen garden, a valuable addition in a terrace-style home. The dining area, tucked beneath a picture window at the rear, was designed for both practicality and visual appeal. A leather banquette and carefully chosen chairs surrounded a large dining table, creating a cozy and inviting space. Opposite the dining area, a Carrara marble hearth and a record station evoked the home's original features while providing a contemporary touch. The entire space reflected a thoughtful compression of dining and living areas, maximizing the existing footprint.